Average settlement for car accident. Back and neck injury. Car accidents can be devastating events that lead to a wide range of injuries, with back and neck injuries being among the most common and serious. Suffering from a back or neck injury after a car accident can result in significant pain, medical expenses, and potential long-term impacts on one's quality of life. For those who find themselves in such unfortunate circumstances, understanding the definition of a car accident and the average settlement for back and neck injuries becomes crucial. Knowing what to expect in terms of compensation can help victims navigate the legal process, pursue fair compensation, and move toward recovery with greater confidence. Understanding car accident claims in New York. In New York, car accident claims can be complicated due to the unique laws that govern them. Understanding the basics, from the types of damages you can seek compensation for to the claim filing process, can help you navigate the aftermath of an accident more effectively. Statute of limitations for car accident claims in New York. In New York, the statute of limitations for personal injury cases, including car accidents, is 3 years from the date of the accident. However, certain circumstances can lead to shorter limitation periods. Below are the deadlines for filing a lawsuit based on specific accident details and the defendant involved. 1. Actions against negligent individuals. 2. Lawsuits against municipalities. 3. Claims involving wrongful death. No-fault insurance. In New York. New York is a no-fault insurance state, which means your own insurance company will pay for your economic damages regardless of who caused the accident, up to the limit of your policy. This includes medical expenses and a portion of lost wages. How to file a car accident claim in New York. Filing a car accident claim in New York can feel overwhelming, especially when dealing with the aftermath of an accident. However, understanding the process step by step can make it more manageable. 1. Report the accident. 2. Inform your insurance company. 3. Collect information at the scene. 4. Seek medical attention. 5. File a claim. 6. Consult an attorney. What is a back and neck injury? Back and neck injuries are common consequences of car accidents. The impact and sudden jolt can cause various types of damage to the spine, muscles, and other related structures. Understanding the nature of these injuries, their symptoms, and the process of diagnosis and treatment can be crucial for anyone involved in a car accident. Common types of back and neck injuries in car accidents. Car accidents, unfortunately, can lead to serious injuries, with the back and neck being particularly susceptible due to the forces involved. Whiplash. Whiplash is the most common neck injury caused by car accidents. It occurs when a sudden jolt or forceful movement causes the neck to whip back and forth, damaging the soft tissues. Herniated disc. The spine is composed of a series of bones known as vertebrae, cushioned by small, spongy discs. Spinal cord injuries. These are some of the most severe injuries that can result from car accidents. Compression fractures. Compression fractures are tiny cracks in the bones of the spine that can eventually cause the vertebrae to collapse. Soft tissue injuries. Soft tissues such as muscles, ligaments, and tendons can also be injured in car accidents. Spinal stenosis. While spinal stenosis, narrowing of the spinal canal, is more commonly a degenerative condition, a car accident can exacerbate pre-existing stenosis or cause injury that leads to its development. Spondylolisthesis. Spondylolisthesis occurs when a vertebra slips onto the bone below it. This can happen due to the stress and impact of a car crash. Symptoms of back and neck injuries. Back and neck injuries can manifest a variety of symptoms that may impact daily life. Understanding these symptoms is pivotal to early diagnosis and effective treatment. 1. Pain. 2. Stiffness or reduced mobility. 3. Numbness or tingling. 4. Weakness. 5. Changes in reflexes. 6. Autonomic symptoms. 7. Other symptoms. Proving fault in a car accident. In New York. In the aftermath of a car accident, determining who was at fault is crucial for insurance claims and possible legal action. In New York, which follows a no-fault system for most car accidents, you may still need to prove fault in cases where serious injuries have occurred. Understanding what constitutes evidence, the concept of comparative fault, and the role of the police report can be instrumental in these scenarios. Types of evidence used to prove fault. In New York, which follows a no-fault car insurance system, you usually turn to your own car insurance coverage for compensation after an accident, regardless of who was at fault. However, for serious injuries, it's possible to step outside of this system and bring a claim against the at-fault driver. Here are the types of evidence often used in such cases. police reports, photos and videos, witness statements, medical documentation, expert opinions. Comparative fault in New York. New York follows the doctrine of pure comparative negligence. How much is my car accident claim worth? Determining the worth of a car accident claim can be a complex process, as it involves a multitude of factors that range from the specifics of the accident to the severity of the injuries sustained, and the impact these injuries have on your life. In general, the value of a car accident claim is calculated based on three key categories of damages: economic, non-economic, and punitive. Economic damages. Economic damages refer to the tangible costs associated with a car accident. These are quantifiable financial burdens that you've had to bear as a direct result of the accident. 1. Medical expenses. 2. Lost wages. 3. Property damage. Non-economic damages. Non-economic damages, also known as general damages, are more subjective and difficult to quantify. These are intended to compensate for non-monetary losses that affect your quality of life. They include pain and suffering. Pain and suffering encompass the physical discomfort, aches, and debilitating conditions that a victim endures following a car accident. Loss of enjoyment of life. Loss of enjoyment of life, also known as hedonic damages, refers to the diminished ability to enjoy the day-to-day pleasures of life that one enjoyed before the accident. Emotional distress. Emotional distress damages compensate for the psychological impact of an accident on a victim. Punitive damages. Unlike economic and non-economic damages, which aim to compensate the victim, punitive damages are designed to punish the defendant for particularly egregious or reckless behavior and serve to deter similar conduct in the future. Contact us today at 929-563-6780 to learn more about how we can help.